Hello friends, welcome to Spartan GRE. In this video, we will be discussing real GRE questions, question number 12 to question number 14. So let's get started. These questions were already posted on our Facebook page, so we are discussing the solutions here. Question number 12, T1 to T4 and so on. Like Tk plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 Tk and T1 is equal to 2. Now they are asking you to find T50, that means 50th term. So if you observe this, T1 equal to 2. So T2, to want T2, you have to put k value 1 here. If you put k value as 1 here, it will be T2 and this will be T1. So T2 will be 2 by 3 into T1. Now if you want T3, put 2 value here, put 2 here, in place of k put 2, then in place of k put 2 here. So it will be 2 by 3 into T2. If you want T3, T4, it will be again put 3 here, so it will be 3 here, so it will be 2 by 3 T3. If you observe this pattern, the numbers are going like this, 2 by 3 into T1, so this is 2, instead of 2 I am writing as T1. So third term is 2 by 3 T2, right? T2 is again 2 by 3 into T1. So here 2 by 3 into T1. So T4 will be 2 by 3 into, what is T3? It will be 2 by 3 T2. Again T2 is 2 by 3 T1. It goes on like this. So if you observe something here, it is T1 here. T1 is being multiplied by 2 by 3 here. Then again this term, this complete term is being multiplied by 2 by 3. Now again this fourth term, this complete term is being multiplied by 2 by 3. So in a series, if a number is constantly multiplied with each and every term, that series is called GP series, geometric progression. Whereas if an addition takes place, then it is called as arithmetic progression. So here the series is going in geometric progression. So Tn will be a into r power n minus 1. So just to memorize this formula, I will compare arithmetic progression with geometric progression. Suppose Tn term in AP, what is the formula? This everyone will be knowing, a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your Tnth term formula, right? So in GP what happens is, this addition will get converted into multiplication because we are multiplying some number, right? So it will be a into, and then this multiplication here, n minus 1 into d, this multiplication will get converted into exponent. Why? Because a number in a GP series will increase in exponential form. Suppose if a series is 1, 2, 3, 4 like this is a GP series, okay? Or you can, sorry, this is an AP series, that means increasing plus 1, right? But then if you see 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, this is a GP series because 2 is being multiplied with each and every term, right? So if you see this series is growing exponentially, that means in powers, right? So here a into this r power n minus 1, whereas this d is equal to this r. D is a common difference there and r will be the common ratio there. R means T2 by T1. That means if you want to find the r, then you have to do Tn plus 1 by n, like you have to take this term by this term, right? So this is an acronymous form, like, sorry, so you can memorize this way. So here T50 will be, you have to find T50 will be, a value is 2, a into r power, common difference, you know, that means whichever is being multiplied, that is 2 by 3 into n minus 1. Here n is 50, so this will be 49. So finally you can say 2 power 50 by 3 will be your answer, right? So let's solve our next question. Next question, again the question is same. The quantity they are asking is T5 and T6, right? This is very simple. You need not actually calculate T5 and T6 and then compare. Just apply a logic here. Thing is, to move on to next term, suppose we have T5 and we have next term is T6. How you are getting T6 is, you are multiplying T5 with 2 by 3. Remember one thing, whenever you are multiplying any number with a number lying between 0 and 1, its value will decrease. In number system, we have 0 here, we have 1, we have 2 and so on. From here minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Pay special attention to these numbers. the numbers lying between 0 and 1, whenever you multiply any number with these numbers, the value will decrease. Example, suppose 4 is there. If I am multiplying 4 with any number between 0 and 1, so I will take 0.5, which is 1 by 2. So the final value will become 2. That means 4 is decreased to 2. Suppose if I have 5, I want to multiply with some number. If I take a number greater than 1, so I can take 1.5, right? It will be 3 by 2. Then the value will increase, right? 5 is becoming 7.5. So any number multiplied by a number between 0 and 1, its final value will decrease. So here you can directly say A is greater than B, because you are multiplying with 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is nothing but 0 point something, so it is between 0 and 1. So let's move on to our next question. Right, this question, see here, this is 90 degrees. They have given clearly this is 90 degrees. 45 x, 45 y. Now if you take this triangle, this angle is the exterior angle, right? This angle will be exterior angle. So if this is y, what will be this angle? This will be 135 minus y, because total angle y plus this plus let it be z is equal to 180. So z will be your 135. This 45, if it goes here, it will be 135 minus y. So this one we got. So what about this angle? This angle will be 135 degrees, because straight angle, in a straight line the angle is 180 degrees. So here 45 and this will be 135. And you also know in a quadrilateral total internal angle will be 360 degrees. So here it is 90 plus 40, 130, 130 plus this one 130 plus 135, it is 265, and this x will be, so x will be equal to 360 minus 265, which will be 5, 7, 9. So x will be 95 degrees. Now you have to find y. What I will do here is, first of all I will assume my y as 95. So I will see if this works. If y is equal to 95, I am taking y equal to 95 degrees, then this angle will be 135 minus 95, which will be 40 degrees, right? So this will be my 40 degrees. So the triangle will be like this: 45, 40 and 95. So this triangle is valid. You are getting total 180 degrees, so it is done. So A equal to B, it is correct. Now let us take a value less than 95. If I take y as 94 degrees, this will become 135 minus 94, which is 41 degrees. So this is also correct. This is also a proper triangle. So even that means here A equal to B is correct, and here B is less than A is correct. Just take two cases: A equal to B, it is valid; A less than B less than A, that is also valid. So since we are unable to say clear cut answer, the answer will be D here. So your final answer will be D. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll meet in our next video. Thank you.